Good morning, everyone. So, I'm back with another video, that is, do you believe in defeat? I don't believe in defeat. That should be our motto in life. Don't be afraid of defeat. Practice believing in God. That is very important. Stand up your obstacles and do something about them. Okay, so obstacles will always be there. It's our life. In the life of a normal person, there will be obstacles in many forms. But you should stand up against your obstacles and do something about them. You should fight. Have faith in yourself and in God. This is very important. That is, having faith in yourself. Because you, as having faith in yourself, will give you tremendous courage to fight against any kinds of defeat or obstacles in your life. And another thing that you should always have is faith in God. Faith has tremendous power, It kept one going when the going is very hard, in difficult time, in most of the difficult times, faith actually keeps us going. Have faith in yourself as well as in God. Another very important thing is a clear mind will deliver power. Your mind should be clear. It should not be full of negative thoughts. It should not be. It should not only think of bad things. It should be clear. It should be distinct, and it should be aimed at delivering power. Then it will obviously deliver power, and you will fight against the defeat. The last very important thing is that most of our defeats are mental in character. Mental in character means our mind actually gives rise to most of the defeats. Therefore, it is important that you don't allow this mental stigmas, this mental thing to come and defeat you. You should stand against this mental. You should not take tension. You should not take stress. You should not waver in life. And then if you're strong enough mentally, then any kind of obstacles will obviously go away from your path. So I do not believe in defeat. That is one concept that you should always keep in mind. Moi ketiao defeat believe nokoro. Moi ketiao har nemano. That is very important. Thank you. So I'll be back again with the next video.